The highlight tool is available in the tools area in the top right between the text annotation and the free measure tool here. And when you click on it, it's going to open up just a little bit of information here with the color to choose here. And then you can simply left click on the drawing where you want and pencil in the highlight that you want. And when you let go of the mouse, then it gets committed into your drawing. If you wanted to change the color on it, you can simply select a new color, and then same sort of situation here, pencil in whatever sort of highlight you may want, and then when you let go, that's when it commits to your drawing here. And if we refresh this drawing, we can see these areas are highlighted. If you want to delete a highlight, simply click on it and hit the trash icon, or click on it and press the delete button on your keyboard.